Have you ever wondered how much combat power could be unleashed by saving every inch of steel on an aircraft carrier's deck? Recently, the Fujian carrier undergoing training in the Bohai Sea offered the world a stunning answer through a high-definition image. The newly deployed J-35 stealth fighter, clearly visible on the deck with its wings folded, stands at the heart of this silent revolution. Those ingeniously folded wings reduce the aircraft's wingspan from 11.5 meters to a mere 7.8 meters. This seemingly simple 3.7-meter reduction in space represents a qualitative leap in China's aircraft carrier combat capability generation model. Focusing on the deck of China's first electromagnetic catapult-equipped carrier, we see not only three J-35s with folded wings, three J-600 early warning aircraft, and two J-15T catapult-launched fighters. It also reveals the nascent form of a rapidly evolving, highly coordinated aerial iron triangle combat system. This signals that China's naval carrier strike groups are transitioning from merely possessing carrier-based aircraft to an era of optimized system utilization for force projection. On the carrier's flight deck and hangar, where every inch of space is worth its weight in gold, space is a strategic resource more precious than gold itself. The folding wing design adopted by the J-35 is far from a mere technical feat. It represents a profound calculation of combat effectiveness. Traditional fixed-wing carrier aircraft layouts consume vast amounts of parking and maneuvering space, whereas folding wings enable carriers to significantly increase aircraft capacity within the same footprint. Analysts estimate this design could boost the Fujian-class carrier's deck parking capacity by up to 50%. This means during a standard sortie wave, the Fujian can launch more aircraft forming denser strike formations or tighter air defense screens. Such numerical superiority often proves decisive in high-end maritime air combat, directly translating into sustained combat capability, battlefield resilience, and tactical flexibility. When we observe the compact and efficient layout on the Fujian's deck, we witness the pinnacle of spatial management artistry. Every inch of deck space saved translates into additional attack waves, or life-saving defensive depth in potential future engagements. Yet the exercises aboard the Fujian reveal far more than mere numerical growth. The combination of 8 carrier-based aircraft on deck painstakingly sketches a classic tableau of modern integrated sea-air warfare. The J-35, as a fifth-generation stealth fighter, serves as both an assassin capable of tearing through enemy air defense networks and a blade for seizing air superiority. The J-600 fixed-wing early warning aircraft, like a cloud-high eye, provides long-range detection, command, and control capabilities hundreds of kilometers away, vastly expanding the carrier strike group's perception boundaries and battlefield situational awareness. The J-15T, as a heavy multi-role fighter, leverages its formidable payload capacity and endurance to serve as the mainstay for precision strikes against sea and land targets. This integrated system achieves seamless coordination between stealth penetration, situational awareness, and heavy strike capabilities. Previously, comparisons might have focused on individual aircraft, like the J-35 versus the F-35C in stealth performance, or the J-600 versus the E-2D in radar technology. However, the exercises aboard the Fujian carrier demonstrate that the Chinese Navy's focus has long transcended single aircraft confrontations, advancing to the higher dimension of system integration. Once this iron triangle matures and operates effectively, the Fujian aircraft carrier strike group will gain the capability to withstand high-intensity confrontations in complex electromagnetic environments. It will be able to execute diverse missions ranging from regional air defense and maritime control to land attack operations, truly supporting the strategic requirements for the Chinese Navy to venture into the deep blue. The confirmation of the J-35's folded wing configuration in these high-definition images marks a milestone in adaptation. It demonstrates that the J-35 has not only completed flight performance testing, but has also fully resolved the final hurdle in carrier integration, including all routine operations such as maneuvering within confined hangars, mooring on the flight deck, and elevator transport. This achievement represents a comprehensive victory in aircraft carrier compatibility engineering, overcoming a series of complex challenges involving structural strength, hydraulic systems, and the reliability of folding mechanisms. Only by achieving this milestone can the J-35 transition from a ship-capable aircraft to a truly combat-ready carrier-based fighter. Concurrently, Rumors of the construction and commissioning of Shenyang Aircraft Corporation's pulsed production line signal the imminent acceleration of J-35 mass production. This will provide robust and sufficient equipment support for the Fujian carrier to rapidly achieve full operational capability and lay the groundwork for equipping subsequent carriers. The combination of electromagnetic catapults and stealth fighters with folding wings serves as the twin engines propelling China's carrier technology forward. Together, they have positioned the Fujian carrier on a starting line comparable to America's newest carriers, achieving historic parity particularly in aircraft launch efficiency and the composition of high-performance squadrons. Reviewing the development of China's naval carriers, from the Liaoning's tentative beginnings to the Shandong's domestically built construction, to the Fujian's technological breakthrough, its pace and achievements stand as exemplary in naval history. Each advancement of the Fujian represents not merely a single weapons breakthrough, but an outward manifestation of China's overall industrial capabilities, technological prowess, and the evolution of its naval strategic thinking. It signifies the resolute transformation of the operational scope for China's carrier strike groups, shifting from near-sea defense to distant sea protection. Its flat deck equipped with electromagnetic catapults enables the launch and recovery of larger, more diverse, and heavier aircraft. The integration of the J-35 fighter and KJ-600 early warning aircraft fills the most critical core combat capabilities for this platform. A carrier strike group possessing formidable stealth strike capabilities, long-range early warning command, and heavy strike power will establish an effective strategic presence and deterrent force across the Western Pacific and beyond. Amid profound shifts in the international landscape and increasingly complex maritime security challenges, the Fujian's operational readiness undoubtedly provides China with a crucial strategic instrument for safeguarding national sovereignty, security, and developmental interests, as well as engaging in international security cooperation. In summary, the scene of carrier-based aircraft arrayed over Bohai Bay represents a silent yet powerful strategic declaration. It tells not merely the technical story of how aircraft wings fold, but how a major naval power transforms limited platform space into near-limitless combat potential through relentless technological pursuit and scientific system construction. From the capability to carry aircraft to optimizing deployment and integrating them into a comprehensive system, the exercises aboard the Fujian-class carrier demonstrate a deepening progression, revealing that China's aircraft carrier program has entered a new phase of refined and systematic development. The balance between war and peace remains delicate, yet one certainty stands: as the Fujian carrier achieves full combat readiness and full deployment, the Chinese Navy's capability and confidence in shaping the regional security environment and safeguarding regional peace and stability will significantly enhance. Those folded wings carry the ambition to venture into the deep blue. Beneath those unfurled wings lies a nation's resolute will to uphold peace and meet challenges. The Fujian carrier's voyage will undoubtedly extend ever further,